What is up, guys? Welcome back to Spoiled Little Bastards. And on today's episode, we are installing a Gibson catback exhaust on the Denali, on the GMC. I just wanted something that, when I put my foot in it, I could actually hear it because it is so quiet, like Prius style. Thank you, Brad. It's like Prius style. So we've got the newer muffler with all the piping, and then here is the single stainless tip with the Gibson on it. I did go Gibson exhaust. Michael actually had it. He had a truck just like this before, so he was like, it sounded great, so I'm gonna trust him. And again, I don't need anything super duper loud. I just want something where when I drive and I put my foot in it, I can hear it. So first things first, that's going to happen on the instruction manual is it says to take off the negative connection on the battery. That way, when you put it back on, the truck can actually like reset and recognize the new exhaust system on it, is what it says. So that'll be the first thing. If you don't know where it's located, battery is located back here on the passenger side, and there is the negative. Alright, so that's done. Alright, so remove the stock exhaust by bolting it at the clamp. Disengage the welded hangers from the OEM rubber grommets. Use WD-40 to aid in the process. Do not damage stock nuts and bolts to remove the rubber grommets as you will reuse them to mount your new system. Now, cut off tailpipe and remove system. Uh-oh, I didn't know we had to cut. Alrighty, guys, so here, what do we call this? The flex pipe?
Yes. Yeah.
We have the flex pipe and the cat here, and there's like a clamp that you're gonna use. It definitely is not what they listed it. It's a 13, and they put it up top, which makes no sense because you can't really get up there. So it looks like you're just gonna loosen it. That way you can pull this piece out.
The second part is you can't even spin it because it's clamped up top.
Yeah, it's actually like the Camaro. The Camaro literally has the same thing that bolts up to the cat. So luckily I kind of know.
But full bolt on to him.
Full bolt on. Oh no, never mind. Ow! She blows. Okay, so there's this clamp that is on here that you're gonna take off, put here. You're gonna take them off the hangers. This is all one piece. This is the new exhaust, so you're gonna use these AutoZone clamps that you're gonna use. And then I actually cut it on the exhaust, on the stock one, I cut it on this. That way I could easily get it out, and then that piece will come through, which I'll show you. It's basically that same thing. So there's not gonna be this little baby muffler, and the flex pipe is gone, and this is a little bit, I think there's obviously a difference in it, so we'll see what it sounds like. And first things first that's gonna go in is that single piece. We'll get that seated in there, hooked up, and then we'll put it all back in like that, so. Alrighty guys, so that's going to pretty much conclude today's video. I just wanted to get under here. I'm only using the phone just because this is probably the easiest, and just kind of give you an idea because we kind of just scanned through this stuff real quick. So over here where the cat is, this is where the flex pipe was. You're going to reuse that clamp, flip it upside down because before it was up here and it was a 13 mil, I believe. Everything seems to be good here after a couple days. There's a hanger here, and then we're going to go over to the new Gibson muffler, and you're gonna get these adapters here, or these clamps. These are like cheap AutoZone ones, nothing special. Keep on going. Uh-oh, I'm getting stuck. Hopefully we don't have this problem soon. And you're gonna do the same here, same AutoZone. There's a hanger here, a hanger there, and then there's one hanger back there. And then the stainless steel tip, polished tip, whatever it is. So that's going to, God, why can't, this thing will be higher next video, hopefully. So that's going to conclude the video. If you guys got any questions, comment in the comment section, and hopefully I can answer them for you. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. Leave a like, leave a comment, and stay tuned, because next time it's gonna hopefully be up in the air. Little wheel combo here, wheel and tire combo, and I'm super excited. I am waiting on the wheels. It's been the biggest thing, but I'm not going to give any pointers. You just got to stay tuned and be ready for the next video. So peace, y'all.